Boo! Hi guys, are y'all ready for Halloween? Well, don't worry, we've got some ideas that will 100% inspire you. I know how important it is to turn up to that party or event with the best and unique costume. So, we decided to give you the 10 best Halloween costume ideas. You will not want to miss out on this list because trust me, these picks are truly special. Now let's begin with the countdown. But before we do, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you can be notified about all our other Inside 10 top picks. Enough said, let's begin with our number 10. Joker. Joker was one of the most spoken about movies last year and was the reason for many people using the line, "We live in a society." But one of the major things that the film did was the simple yet terrifying Joker makeup that Joaquin Phoenix had done on his face. I think this would be such an amazing and creative Halloween costume idea. And the Joaquin Phoenix Joker is not the only look out there. The Joker has many faces. You can even get your friends together and each become a Joker throughout the years. Number 9. Harley Quinn. Speaking of just the Joker, we have to talk about Harley Quinn, right? Her movie Birds of Prey came out at the beginning of this year, and Harley Quinn gives herself a new hairdo which would make for such a cute Halloween look. And you can even carry around a baseball as a prop. Who wouldn't want to do that? And you and your friends can even be the rest of the Birds of Prey, which goes on to our next pick. Number 8. Black Canary. Black Canary was Harley Quinn's right-hand woman in Birds of Prey. She has the best all-black outfit that would look amazing for Halloween. Plus, she is a highly talented martial artist, so if you want to walk into that party throwing some punches, this is your chance. And honestly, she is a very underrated character. There would be no chance anyone else would be wearing the same costume as you. Unless they watch this video too. Number 7. Claws, Umbrella Academy TV show. Umbrella Academy is the TV show everyone is talking about. Now this TV series has some of the coolest looks you will see, but this one character Claus takes the cake with his fashion. With his fur-collared coat, his messy curly hair, and his dark eyeliner, you would walk into the party turning heads. He is a fashion icon, and some of his looks are definitely one to try out for Halloween, I promise. Number 6. Harry Styles in his Watermelon Sugar music video. Even though it is fall and the weather is starting to get cold, Harry Styles rocked the best summer outfit in his Watermelon Sugar music video. And why not bring the sunshine to that Halloween party, right? He wears a variety of amazing bright outfits in his video, and why not wear them all? I mean, you can't beat 4 outfit changes on Halloween. It will also help you get more candy with trick or treating. Number 5. Billie Eilish Grammys 2020 outfit. Billie Eilish is the epitome of comfort with her very baggy clothing. And if you are that one person at the Halloween party that likes to sit on the sofa eating all the Doritos all day, then this is the costume for you. With her brand colors black and green, you are all ready for the spooky events. She rocks the most comfortable and glamorous outfit at the 2020 Grammys that would be amazing to try out. Number 4. Lil Nas X Grammys 2020 outfit. On the other hand, Lil Nas X wore one of the tightest and brightest outfits at the Grammys this year. With his bright pink cowboy outfit including the hat, this is the best costume ever if you want to grab attention at the Halloween work event. Up next is our top 3, but remember to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and hit the bell button for more interesting content like this. Now let's carry on and get ready for Halloween with our top 3. At 3, it's Alexander Hamilton. Alexander Hamilton was the musical that everyone was singing this year. This is the most sophisticated and unique outfit anyone could wear on Halloween. Hamilton rocks the classical white wig and an old stylish tuxedo. Trust me, this is the costume that will get everyone talking and asking questions. People will be placing bets on who you are dressed as. Number 2. Homelander, The Boys TV show. Homelander, the TV show that portrays the superheroes as the villains, but the biggest and evil villain of all is Homelander. His outfit is a weird, unique mixture of every superhero you can think of put together. It's like you took a piece of all their costumes and you put them on yourself. Plus, you get to wear an American flag and a cape, which to me is the perfect accessory. Number 1. Lady Gaga, Stupid Love music video. Here's our number 1 pick. Lady Gaga in her new Stupid Love music video. Her outfits in this video are some of the best looks you will see. And how can you be surprised? It's Lady Gaga. This whole music video will have some of the best Halloween costume ideas you will set your eyes on. It has fashion mixed with culture, and it's better than wearing her meat dress. I hope many of these inspired you, so comment below which ones were your favorite. We want to know which costume you would be trying out. I hope everyone here in the Inside 10 Spooky Squad has a great Halloween. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to keep up to date with our content. Also, make sure to check out our other videos on the left and right of your screen. See you there!